Sorry guys for being late. I really apologize. And but I bought this, so you can see here. This is the thing. I'm asking just to subscribe my channel and just please watch this full video. That's it. I'll just walk through this. You can see here firstly, if you run this, you'll get these all. So you need to first use this all. So then you can completely just copy each cell and just paste it and run it. So you'll get this output, and this score is of 0. I got 0.6341, 63421 I guess. So it's enough to get 40 points. So that's more than enough. Just be like just copy every cell and paste, run one by each. So that you can find all the errors easily. So lastly, before submitting is, please run all, like you can see here. Even in the MLP submission portal, you can see there, you'll see that run all option. So please click on that, run everything first, and then only submit it. So you'll get to know what are the errors and all. If you find any doubt, please ping me here or else on what do we say, Instagram. So you can see my Instagram link there on my about this page. So you can go there and just text me there, or even you can connect me on LinkedIn and ask there. So that's it guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if and maybe next I'll surely do that Kaggle 4 assignment, but it will take some time I guess. I'll do it before 2 days, because I also need to study for exam of this college and even for IIT Madras. So I need some time, and I'm really sorry for being late. I'm sick this day. I got sick, so it's late for that. I'm really sorry, and thank you for watching.